Ask.com just now crossing the halfway mark. State Street Skimmers coming on strong, trying to catch up. Look at their paddlers go. Trend Micro way ahead. Going strong. Determined to
Oh
stay
shoot,
in the
they're
lead.
catching up.
Oh no, they're catching up.
I know.
Going, catch up to them. It's about a boat apart.
Oh jeez.
Coming up third, trying to push it all the way up there. Ask.com. Closing that gap, coming on strong. It looks like, oh my God, they're catching up. They could overtake Trend Micro. Coming on strong. Trend Micro starting to lose some speed. Ask.com coming on strong. State Street Skimmers hanging in there, going on, fighting, trying to get in there in the race, staying in the race. Trend Micro and Ask.com duking it out. Trend Micro, Ask.com, let's see who crosses it first. Unofficially, it looks like Trend Micro crossed it first, followed by Ask.